exercise 6b, the second bit, first question, that is integration of 3x minus 2 whole power 1 by 2 dx. సో దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనం 3x minus 2ని tతో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. that here let 3x minus 2 is equal to t. So then derivate on both sides with respect to the x, that here d by dx of 3x minus 2 is equal to dt by dx. So d by dx of 3x is 3 only. d by dx of 2 is equal to 0. You get that here 3 is equal to dt by dx. So from here we get that here dx is equal to dt by 3. So now we have substitute the t value and dx value in the problem. So we get that here integration of 3x minus 2 whole power 1 by 2 dx. So now integration of 3x minus 2 is t power 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt by 3. So take 3 outside, we get that here 1 by 3 integration of t power 1 by 2 dt. So in the form of integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here we get that here is equal to 1 by 3 t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So we get that here 1 by 3 of t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So we get that here 2 by 9 here. Get that here 2 by 9 t power 3 by 2 plus c. Get that here 2 by 9 t we taken as 3x minus 2. Get that here 3x minus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c is the answer for given problem. Next problem, integration of 1 by 7x plus 3 dx. So to solve this, in this problem substitute 7x plus 3 as t. Take that here let 7x plus 3 is equal to take as t. So now derivate on both sides with respect to the x. Here d by dx of 7x plus 3 is equal to d by dx of t. So d by dx of 7x is equal to 7 only, and d by dx of 3 is equal to 0. Get that here 7 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to dt by 7. So now to take the question here, integration of 1 by taken that here 7x plus 3 as t, therefore 1 by t, and dx we got that here dt by 7, that here dt by 7. Take 7 outside, we get that 1 by 7 integration of 1 by t dt. So that gives that here 1 by 7 log t plus c. So now 1 by 7 log of t is equal to taken that here 7x plus 3 plus c is the answer for given problem. Next problem, integration of log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x dx. So దీనిని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి log of 1 plus x is equal to take as t. So let log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides with respect to the x. We get that here d by dx of log of 1 plus x is equal to dt by dx. So d by dx of log of 1 plus x become that here 1 by 1 plus x. Again d by dx of 1 plus x 1 only is equal to dt by dx. So now take the dx this side, it becomes that here dx by 1 plus x is equal to dt. So we got the dt value and t value, both we have substitute in the problem. We get that here integration of log of 1 plus x into dx by 1 plus x. So now integration of log of 1 plus x is equal to t and dt by 1 plus x is equal to dt. So we get that here integration of t becomes that here t square by 2 plus c. So now get that here t is equal to log of 1 plus x. Substitute here in place of t log of 1 plus x whole power 2 by 2 plus c is the answer for given problem. Next problem, integration of 3x square minus 4x dx. సో మనం దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఈ 3x square minus 4ని tగా అనుకుందాం. దట్ ఇయర్ లెట్ 3x square minus 4 is equal to t. So now derivative on both sides with respect to the x. So apply the d by dx on both sides. We get that here d by dx of 3x square minus 4 is equal to dt by dx. So now d by dx of 3x square, with that here 3 into d by dx x square, we get that here 2x, and d by dx of minus 4 is equal to 0 only, we get that here dt by dx. So now 3 to just 6, 6x is equal to dt by dx. So if you have to here, there is the x dx is there, that's why I take that here x and dx, take this side, dx is equal to become that here dt by 6. So now x dx value is dt by 6 and 3x square minus 4 is equal to t. So substitute these two in the problem. We get that here integration of 3x square minus 4 is equal to t. Take that here t into x dx is equal to dt by 6. Take that here dt by 6. So now take that here integration of, take the 1 by 6 outside, we get that here 1 by 6 integration of t dt. So now integration of t, it becomes that here t square by 2, therefore t square by 2 plus c. So now 1 by 6 into here 1 by 2 is there, become the 1 by 12 t square. T is equal to taken that here 3x square minus 4, that here 3x square minus 4 whole square plus c is the answer for given problem. So next problem, integration of dx by under root of 1 plus 5x dx. So to solve this, we have to take that here root of 1 plus 5x as t. Take that here let root of 1 plus 5x is equal to t. So now 1 plus 5x is equal to t square, and derivative on both sides with respect to the x, that means apply d by dx on both sides. You get that here d by dx of 1 plus 5x is equal to dt square by dx. So now d by dx of 1 0 and d by dx of 5x is 5 only. 5 is equal to d by dx of t square, that is the 2t dt by dx. So now we need the only dx value. So take that here, dx is equal to 2t dt by 5. So substitute the dx value and t value in the problem. We did that here. Integration of, so dx is equal to 2t by 5, 2t dt by 5. Therefore 2t dt by 5 by the root of 1 plus 5x is equal to t. So take the t here. Now take the 2 by 5 outside. We get that here, 2 by 5 integration of t dt by t. T get cancelled. We get that here, 2 by 5 integration of 1 dt. So therefore integration of 2 by 5 integration of 1 dt is equal to, we get that here, 2 by 5 t plus c. So now 2 by 5 t is going to be taken that here, 1 plus 5x. Therefore take that here, 1 plus 5x plus c is the answer for given problem. Sorry, t taken that here under root, the root of 1 plus 5x plus c is the answer. So next problem is integration of 1 minus 2x cube x into x square dx. So దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి 1 minus 2x cubes taken as t. Therefore that here let 1 minus 2x cube is equal to taken as t. So now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. You get that here, d by dx of 1 minus 2x cube is equal to dt by dx. So now d by dx of 1 0 and d by dx of minus 2x cube is equal to minus 2 into 3x square is equal to dt by dx. So if we see here in the question, we have that here x square dx is there. So that's why I find the value of the x square dx here. So we take that here, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 x square is equal to dt by dx. So now take the dx this side and minus x other side. We get that here, x square dx is equal to dt by minus 6. So now we got the value of x square dx and t here. Substitute both in the problem. We get that here, integration of 1 minus 2x cube is equal to t. Take that here, t, and x square dx is equal to, we got that here, dt by minus 6, dt by minus 6. So now take that here is equal, take the minus 1 by 6 outside, that minus 1 by 6 integration of t dt. So minus 1 by 6 integration of t is equal to t square by 2. With the formula integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We get that here, that t power 2 by 2 plus c. We get that here, minus 1 by 12 into t square plus c. We get that here, minus 1 by 12 into t square. What is the t and t? T is the 1 minus 2x cube. Therefore here in place of t, 1 minus 2x cube whole square plus c. So this is the answer for given problem, minus 1 by 12 of 1 minus 2x cube whole square plus c is the answer. Next problem, integration of secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole cube dx. To solve this problem, take the 1 plus tan x as t. Take that here, let 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Why? Because a d by dx of tan is secant square x. That's why we take that here 1 plus tan x as the t. So now derivate on both sides with respect to the x. Then we get that here d by dx of 1 plus tan x is equal to d by dx of t. D by dx of 1 0 and d by dx of tan secant square x, take the dx this side, become the dx is equal to dt. So now we got the value of the secant square x and dx value combinedly, and 1 plus tan x is equal to t only. So now substitute the both values in the problem with the integration of secant square dx is equal to dt. We will get here dt by, and 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Take that here t cube. So now get that here integration of t power minus 3 dt. So now integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Apply the same formula here. We get that here t power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So what is become that here t power minus 3 plus 1 t power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So we can write it as the 1 by minus 2, take the minus upwards here, minus 1 by 2 into t square plus c. Now minus 1 by 2 into t is equal, that is 1 plus tan x. So that here 1 plus tan x whole square plus c. So this is the answer for given problem, that is minus 1 by 2 of 1 plus tan x whole square plus c is the answer for given problem. Next problem is integration of x cube sin x power 4 dx. So to solve this, we will take that here x power 4 as t. Let x power 4 is equal to t. So now we will derivate on both sides with respect to the x. That's why apply the d by dx on both sides. We get that here d by dx of x power 4 is equal to d by dx of t. So now d by dx of x power 4, that is become 4x cube is equal to dt by dx. So now we have x cube and dx is there. So the combined value of the x cube and dx is equal to, take that here x cube and dx. Take that here x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. So now we got the value of the x cube dx and x power 4. So substitute these two values in the problem. What you get here, integration of sine of x power 4 is equal to t. Therefore take the t, and x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. Write that here dt by 4. So now take the 1 by 4 outside. We get that here 1 by 4 integration of sin t dt. So now 1 by 4 integration of sine, that is the minus cos, minus cos t plus c. So now it's called minus 1 by 4 into cos of t is equal to x power 4. T is equal to x power 4, should write in the place of t, that is the x power 4 plus c is the answer for given problem. So next problem is integration of cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square dx. సో మనం దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి 1 ప్లస్ sin x ని టీగా తీసుకుందాం. టేక్ దట్ హియర్ లెట్ 1 ప్లస్ sin x is equal to t. So now differentiate on both sides with respect to the x. It means apply the d by dx of apply the d by dx on both sides. We get that here d by dx of 1 0 and d by dx of sine is equal to cos x is equal to dt by dx. So now look at here cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx is equal to dt and 1 place sin x is taken as the t. So we have the value of the 1 place sin x and cos x dx. Substitute both in the problem. We get that here integration of cos x dx is equal to dt. Get that here dt by 1 place sin x is equal to t. Take that here t square. Now get that here integration of here t power minus 2 dt. Get that here t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is the formula of what here x power n. Integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we get that here t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So we can write it as the minus 1 by t plus c. So now what is the t value here? We have taken this minus 1 by t is equal to 1 plus sin x plus c. So this is the answer for given problem. This is the minus 1 by 1 plus sin x plus c. So next problem is integration of cubic root of sin x into cos x dx. So we can write it as the integration of cubic root means power 1 by 3. Take that here sin power 1 by 3 into cos x dx. So now to solve this problem we have to take the sin x as t. Therefore take it here let sin x is equal to t. So derivate on both sides with respect to the x. We get that here d by dx of sin is cos x dx is equal to dt. So now we got the value of the cos x dx and sin x is equal to t. Substitute these two in the question. We get that here sin x power 1 by 3 means sin x is equal to here taken as t. Therefore t power 1 by 3 and cos x dx is equal to dt. So now dt. So now we get that here integration of t power 1 by 3 is equal to t power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So now t power 1 by 3 plus 1. So 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. Here t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. So now take the 3 upwards, it becomes here 3 by 4 t power 4 by 3 plus c. So now substitute the value of t in the answer. You get that here 3 by 4 t is equal to that is sin x kabatti sin x power 4 by 3 plus c. So this is the answer for given problem.